Are you going to warm that up? Absolutely not.
That's her favorite.
What is cold pizza?
We like pizza like that.
Kid, you don't eat pizza.
Oh yeah.
But it's cold. That's when it's the best. Underneath the cheese and the cold tomato sauce. When it's so cold, you can even feel the tomato seeds. Seeds. How are we twins?
You don't know what you're missing.
Kid, you don't eat pizza.
Oh yeah.